If you're thinking about starting a rain music channel on YouTube, don't make the same mistake most beginners make. Thousands of creators are uploading the same generic rain videos every day, making that niche extremely competitive. Instead, build a character-based rain channel where every video features a unique character, different environments, and music that matches different moods. This type of content feels much more original, gives your channel a stronger identity, and has a better chance of growing on YouTube over the long term. A great example is a channel called Chill Journal. It's fully monetized and successfully survived YouTube's AI demonetization wave. If we check its estimated earnings using vidIQ, the channel is making around $2,000 per month. Even if we ignore those estimates and assume it's earning only around $700 per month, that's still an impressive income for a channel built around simple, relaxing content. The important lesson isn't the exact revenue, it's that this type of content can be monetized successfully when it's done correctly. Now look carefully at how the channel creates its videos. Every upload features a different composition. The character changes position, the background changes, the atmosphere changes, and the music also changes depending on the mood. Because every video has unique elements, instead of repeating the exact same scene, the content feels much more natural and includes a noticeable human touch. This is one of the biggest reasons why channels like this are much safer from AI demonetization than channels that repeatedly upload identical rain loops. Let's compare an example from that channel with a video created using the same workflow. Even though both videos belong to the same cozy rain category, each one has its own personality because the characters, scenes, and overall feeling are different. That's exactly what you should aim for when building this type of YouTube channel. Now let's build the entire channel from scratch. The first thing you need to do is open the prompts provided in the description. These prompts are designed to automate almost the entire setup process. Open ChatGPT and generate each prompt one by one, starting from the top. The first prompt generates channel name ideas. ChatGPT will provide multiple cozy channel name suggestions that fit this niche. For this example, I'm choosing Ripple Hollow, but you can select any name you like that matches your channel's theme. Once you've selected your channel name, move on to the logo prompt. Before generating the logo, pay attention to the highlighted instructions inside the prompt. You'll need to choose an animal that becomes the identity of your channel. It can be any animal you prefer. In this example, I'm choosing a white panda because it matches the calm and relaxing atmosphere I'm trying to create. Now simply enter your channel name where required, type it twice as instructed in the prompt, then enter your chosen animal. Even using the free version of ChatGPT, you'll be able to generate a clean and professional looking logo without any complicated design work. With the logo finished, the next step is creating the YouTube banner. Copy the banner prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, replace it with your channel name, and generate it. Within a few moments, ChatGPT creates a clean banner that matches the same cozy aesthetic as your logo. Since both are generated using the same style, your entire channel branding looks consistent from the very beginning. Next comes the SEO description. You don't even need to generate a new one. Simply copy the description provided in the prompt and replace the channel name with your own. Everything else is already optimized, so you don't have to spend time writing it from scratch. Now open YouTube Studio and start setting up your channel. Upload your logo as the profile picture, upload the banner, and paste the channel description into the About section. Make sure you've replaced the original channel name with your own before saving everything. Once that's done, go back to the prompt and scroll down until you reach the channel tag section. Copy all of the tags exactly as provided, then return to YouTube Studio, open settings, go to channel, and paste all of those tags into the keyword section. This helps YouTube better understand your channel and the type of audience your content is meant for. After completing these steps, your channel setup is finished. Even before uploading your first video, the channel already looks professional. The logo, banner, branding, and overall design immediately give visitors the impression of a relaxing study, sleep, or cozy music channel. First impressions matter on YouTube, and having clean branding helps your channel look much more trustworthy from day one. Now it's time to start creating content. Go back to the prompt document and open the content creation prompt. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT generates multiple content ideas designed specifically for this type of cozy rain channel. The process is very simple because everything is generated step by step. The first step is choosing your main character. ChatGPT provides 10 different character options, each with its own unique personality and appearance. Simply choose the one you like the most. For this tutorial, I'm selecting the turtle. tutorial. After selecting your character, ChatGPT moves to the second step, which is choosing a companion character. Just like before, you'll receive 10 different companion options. These companions help make every scene feel more alive and create a stronger emotional connection with viewers. For this example, I'm choosing the white duck, which is option 1. Next comes the background and activity selection. ChatGPT gives you several beautiful environments and relaxing activities to choose from. Every option creates a different mood, so simply pick the one that matches the atmosphere you want for your video. In this example, I'm choosing option 3 because it fits perfectly with the cozy rain theme. Once all 3 selections are complete, ChatGPT automatically generates 2 things for you: a detailed image prompt and a matching video prompt. These prompts are all you need to create the complete scene. And now that ChatGPT has generated both the image prompt and the video prompt, it's time to bring your scene to life using Google Flow. Start by copying the image prompt and opening Google Flow. Paste the prompt into the image generation box. Before generating the image, make sure to turn agent mode off, because for this workflow, we only need a clean image generation. Then use the recommended image settings and click generate. Within a few moments, Google Flow creates your scene. The result should look clean, cozy, and exactly like the relaxing aesthetic we're aiming for. If you're happy with the image, move on to the next step. If not, simply generate another variation until you find one that matches your vision. Once you've selected your favorite image, it's time to animate it. Click on the generated image. Open the 3-dot menu and select Animate. This takes you directly to Google Flow's video generation section. Before generating the animation, make sure your video settings match the recommended configuration. Using the correct settings helps maintain smoother motion and better overall quality. Now copy the video prompt that ChatGPT generated earlier, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. After a short wait, Google Flow will create multiple animated versions of your scene. Watch each result carefully and compare them. Instead of downloading the first generation immediately, choose the one that feels the most natural and closest to the cozy style you're trying to achieve. Once you've found the best version, simply download the video. Now repeat this exact workflow whenever you want to create another relaxing rain scene. The only thing you'll change is the character, companion, or background selection inside ChatGPT. Everything else remains exactly the same. This makes it very easy to produce multiple unique videos while keeping your channel's visual identity consistent. One of the biggest advantages of this workflow is that every upload feels different. Instead of reusing the same rain loop over and over again, each video features a different character, different environment, different mood, and different atmosphere. This not only makes your content more enjoyable for viewers, but also helps your channel stand out from thousands of generic rain channels already on YouTube. At this point, the visuals are completely ready. The only thing left is generating relaxing background music, combining everything inside your video editor, and exporting the final video for YouTube. That's exactly what we'll cover in the final part. For this, you can use either Gemini or the free version of Suno. Both work well, but if you're creating long, relaxing music videos, I recommend Suno because it generally produces better music for this type of content and gives more consistent results. Once your music is ready, open your favorite video editor and import both the animated video and the MP3 file. Since these channels usually upload long-form relaxing content, you don't need dozens of different scenes. Simply place your animated clip on the timeline and duplicate it until the video reaches your desired length. If your YouTube channel is brand new, it's usually better to upload videos that are around 25 to 30 minutes long. This makes the editing process faster and gives you enough content to start building your channel consistently. As your channel grows and starts getting regular viewers, you can gradually create longer videos, such as 1-hour relaxing sessions, because that's what many viewers prefer for studying, sleeping, or background listening. After extending the video to your preferred duration, add your background music and make sure it loops smoothly throughout the entire timeline. Since this type of content is designed to help people relax, study, or sleep, avoid sudden cuts or noticeable transitions. The goal is to make the experience feel calm and continuous from beginning to end. Once everything is synchronized, export the video using the highest quality settings available. After exporting, your cozy rain video is ready to upload to YouTube, and that's the complete workflow. We started by creating a unique channel instead of copying the crowded generic rain niche. The biggest advantage of this workflow is that it's completely scalable. Once you've created your first video, you simply repeat the same process with different characters, companions, and scenes. Instead of constantly thinking of new ideas from scratch, you already have a system that can produce unlimited unlimited cozy content while keeping your uploads fresh and consistent. And remember, YouTube growth comes from consistency. The more quality videos you publish, the more opportunities you create for your channel to reach new viewers. So now it's your turn. Start creating, experiment with different characters and relaxing themes, and build a cozy channel that people actually enjoy watching. Since the entire workflow is free, there's nothing stopping you from getting started today. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe because I regularly share the latest AI tools, Google Flow workflows, and YouTube growth strategies to help you create better content faster.